2001 Chevrolet S10 starter's dragging again. We know the battery's good and everything else is connections, all that stuff. We've went and done our due diligence on that, so we're gonna change on it. Welcome to Chrisman Garage. All right, up underneath here, as you can see, there's your starter right there. 2 bolts, look like the 13. We've unhooked the battery. We're gonna take those 2 bolts out and drop the starter down. We're gonna unhook the battery terminal off the back of it, and I'll show you what it looks like beside the new starter that we got. Y'all hang out. All right, we got this old one out. If nothing else, she was really dirty. This is the remanufactured one we're going to put in there. We got to turn this one back into the O'Reilly's for the core charge. I think it's about $40, but this is the new one, and she looks really nice. The rotation looks the same. Terminals look the same. Everything looks good. This has got a lifetime warranty on it, so if it goes out again, we'll get another one. So this does look like the factory one. She probably was dragging just a little bit. She get hot, and the starter drive feels good, but I just think she was getting weak because every now and then she'd do a wow, wow, wow. So we're going to put this one back in there. Like I said, it was just those 2 13 millimeters that went up the bottom, but we're going to hook these up first. We'll hook the small and the big terminal up. There was just 1 wire going to each one, right? 1 wire going to each one of these. 10 millimeter bolts. It's pretty simple, fellas. So I'll let you know how it works. Hang out. All right, there we have it. We've got the starter on it. Let's see how she's going to do. Fast. She cranks quick. She was doing a little shoo, shoo, shoo. Now it's going like it's supposed to. So there you have it. She was a little tricky. That one bolt was right underneath the A-frame. She was a little bit tricky to get off, but they were both 13s. Once you got them off, you got them, the cables back on it. It really wasn't bad. So y'all remember, till next time, if she's giving trouble, you guessed it. She's going to the bad.